Okay, so Rida,
Yes.
Rida, good afternoon. Rida, can you hear me better?
Yes.
Okay, so Rida, that who was the small boy? What was the name of the small boy in the story?
Tortoise.
What was the name of small boy, beta? In the story One Inch Warrior, what was the name of small boy?
Rabbit to you.
Mute your mic. Okay, mute your mic. Okay, so my question goes to uh, Zahir Abbas Noorani. Zahir Abbas Noorani, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your name, beta?
Nurani Ali Raza.
Ali Raza, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, beta, tell me what was the name of small boy in the story? छोटे बच्चे का नाम क्या था स्टोरी के अंदर?
The name of small boy.
The name of the name of small boy is Subosi.
Okay, very good, beta. The name of small boy is Ishu Bossy. Okay, so beta, can you tell me how small he was? कितना छोटा था वो? What was his height?
1 inch.
One each.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good, beta. Excellent. You have given right answer. Okay, beta. Mute your mic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now my next question is to who is this Raj Hardware? May I know the name of this Raj Hardware? Who is this Raj Hardware?
Yes, sir.
What is your name, beta?
My name is Zia Fatima.
Zia Fatima. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, beta. Were you there in the previous lecture? इसके पहले के lecture में आप थे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, beta, that what did the father, boy's father, made for him? छोटे बच्चे के father ने उसके लिए क्या बनाया था?
Twin.
स्वॉर्ड बेटा स्वॉर्ड बनाई थी क्या बनाई थी रिपीट आफ्टर मी
Sword.
स्वॉर्ड ओके यू हैव टू स्पीक 5 टाइम्स स्वॉर्ड 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 ऐसे 5 टाइम्स बोलना है
Sword. Sword. Sword.
5 टाइम्स
Sword. 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 Sword.
ओके वेरी गुड बेटा ओके एंड डू यू नो व्हाट डिड द बॉयज मदर मेड फॉर हिम छोटे बच्चे के मम्मी ने क्या बनाया था उसके लिए
Bowl.
बाउल बाउल यूज करके बोट बनाई थी ना यूजिंग द
Yes.
बाउल शी मेड बोट सो यू हैव टू से ओके मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना स्मॉल बॉयज मदर
Small boy's mother
prepared a
prepared a
boat
boat
from the
from the
soup bowl. From
bowl.
the
From the
soup bowl.
to bowl.
और बाउल नहीं बोलते बॉल बोलते क्या बोलते हैं मेरा बॉल ओके वेरी गुड म्यूट योर सेल्फ okay and last two questions then I will explain you the remaining lesson so my next question goes to who is this Abdul Kader nahi Abu Bakar who is this Abu Bakar in the meet
Yes.
what is your name beta
My name is Kumar.
speak louder beta we cannot hear you
My name is Madhuswar.
okay beta where did the boy go where did the boy went छोटा लड़का कहाँ गया बोट में बैठ के where did he went Okay, मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना. Repeat after me. Okay, बेटा. The small boy
Yes, sir. The small boy
went to
went to
the city
the city
to work.
to work.
Okay. Now you remember where did the small boy went?
To work.
But where did he went?
To
To
work.
city. To city. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. The next question is to uh, okay. Who is this Misam Raza Burani?
Yes,
What's
sir.
your name, beta?
My name is Mr. Puran.
Misam Burani. Good
Mr.
afternoon.
Puran. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. So, beta, were you present in the last lecture? पहले के lecture में present थे? When I explained you the story?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
You were not present.
No.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Mute yourself, beta. Okay. Shama Rajani. Shama Rajani. Shama Rajani, can you hear me, beta? Beta, we cannot hear you. Okay. Okay. Mute your mic, beta. Mute your mic, Shama Rajani. Okay.
All
Okay.
the students mute your mic.
Okay. So, yes, Safa Khalani. Safa Khalani, can you hear me, beta?
Yes.
Okay. What is your name?
Safa.
Safa. Safa is only your name. Very good. So, Safa, tell me that the name of the owner of the house. Do you remember that Ishu Bossi saw the big house, big mansion? इसने बड़ा घर देखा था, फोटो में देखा था ना?
Small house. Sanjar.
Hello.
Name of the house is Sanjar.
No, beta. Name of house नहीं. Name of the master of the house, beta. Okay, you have to repeat after me. मेरे पीछे पीछे.
Name of the master of house Sanjar.
Sanjo. Lord Sanjo. What was the name?
Sanjo.
Lord Sanjo.
Lord Sanjo.
Okay. And what was the name of Lord Sanjo's daughter? Princess Sanjo. What was the name?
Princess Sanjo.
Okay, very good. Okay, beta. Mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. So now all the students listen to me carefully. Now I'm going to explain you the lesson. No one is going to open up their mic. No one is going to turn on their mic. No one is going to unmute their mic. मैं यहाँ से बोलूंगा तब भी आपको माइक ऑन करना है. So now we saw that. So now in the last lecture we saw that the issue bossy got the job of taking care of Princess Sanjo. So what happened? So all the time the small issue bossy remained with the Princess Sanjo. So one day what happened? Princess Sanjo and issue bossy were going to temple. Temple means mandir, I told you. So now Princess Sanjo and Ishu Bossy both were walking and going to the temple. So what happened? They saw the big monster. If you can see the monster in the photo, see how big. The monster has 3 eyes. 1, 2, and 3. See, I'll show you. The monster has 3 eyes. See, third on the head. Okay. So if you can see, the Ishu Bossy is too much small. So how can he fight with monster? The monster is too big. So still Ishubosi was very brave boy. Ishubosi was very brave boy. Though he was too small, भले ही वो छोटा था, but he was very brave. तो he took the sword out. उसकी जो needle की sword बनाई थी, तलवार बनाई थी, he took it.
सर सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
रोहन सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Hello. Yes, can you hear me now?
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Asma ma'am, I
Sir.
request you that please look that
That-
someone is turning off my mic.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll take care. Continue, sir.
So students, what happened that Ishubosi started poking the sword. Sword means talwar. Ishubosi started poking the sword in the monster's mouth. See, Ishubosi was very small, so he was easily able to stand on the teeth and the tongue of the monster. So now what happened? So finally, Ishubosi, when he started, poking the needle, the monster got, very much hurt in the tongue, in the tooth, and everywhere inside the mouth. So finally, the monster, he just ran away. But when the monster ran away, what happened? The monster was having the magical sword, magical hammer. So, do you know the meaning of hammer? The meaning of hammer is hathodi. You call it in Gujarati and Hindi. So, the monster was having magical hammer with him. So, what happened? When the monster ran away, he forgot his hammer on the ground over there. जब monster भागने लगा, तो वो अपना hammer वहीं पे भूल गया, अपनी हथौड़ी, magical हथौड़ी वहीं पे भूल गया. So now let's see what will happen. Ishubosi and Princess Sanjo, are they able to use that hammer properly? What will they use and how will they use? Let's see in the story. So now I'll read the lesson for you. The princess took the hammer, she hit it on the ground, and something magical happened. Now what happened? Now what happened? जो प्रिंसेस है उसने हाथ में हथौड़ी ले ली. See, I'll show you in the photo. ये प्रिंसेस के हाथ में हैमर है. हैमर. This is the hammer, golden color hammer. You know, it was magical. So what happened? Princess took the hammer and what did she do? अरे कौन है बीच में बोल रहा है? पता नहीं चला 10 बार बोला है कि बीच में मत बोलना. Okay, so what happened? That princess took the hammer in her hand and she hit it on the ground. To hit means जोर से मारना. So princess hit the hammer on the ground. ये golden color का जो hammer है, she hit on the ground. Ground पे, floor पे जोर से उसने पटका. She hit it. So then what happened? Ishubosi, if you can see Ishubosi, उसकी height अचानक से बढ़ गई. Ishubosi की जो height थी बहुत ही छोटी थी. Now what
सर
happened?
आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही सर.
So now I don't know, ma'am. What is the issue there? Again and again, someone is trying to present the scheme.
Dear students, please stop presenting your screen so that sir's screen can be visible. अपनी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करना बंद कर दो.
Okay, so now are you able to see, ma'am? Can you help me out? Now is my screen visible to you?
Just a second, sir. ये रहा.
बेटा किसी भी स्टूडेंट को माइक नहीं ओपन करना है, बार बार नहीं बोलेंगे आपको।
Okay.
લેના સર નો પિક્ચર કેમ નથી બતાતું? તું અહીં આવી જા ને થોડીક વાર ત્યાંથી તો મેમ દેતા હું હું પૂછી રાખે કેમ જરા ફોલો કરજો.
मैम माय स्क्रीन शेयरिंग इज ऑन.
Yes, Rohan sir, are you presenting your screen right now?
Yes, my screen is already, the presented, but I don't know what's the issue over there.
Just your symbol, sir, and Rohan is visible, no, nothing else. Please start
So
again presenting your screen. Start again.
I did 10 times.
Acha, then also you're not
So I
visible
don't
your
know
screen,
what's
sir.
the issue.
No, the students also presenting the screen.
So what to do, ma'am? Is someone trying to present?
Students, just ask to students if they are able to see your
Yes, I
screen.
understand.
Just ask.
No,
Just
no one
ask
is
to
presenting the
students.
screen.
No, ask to students if they are seeing your screen. Present screen.
Okay, student. Okay. Nakwi Zaid. Nakwi Zaid. Okay, Mahin Parmar.
Ask to Sama Rajani, sir.
ओके बेटा, मेरी स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है? आर यू एबल टू सी माय स्क्रीन बेटा?
Their voice is not clear, sir. Okay, now you are start presenting your screen. Please continue.
Okay, just mute the other's mic. Nakwi, mute your mic. So sorry for the inconvenience, students. Actually, there was a network issue.
Yes.
Okay. So, anyways, so now, students, I told you that the Princess Sanjo hit the hammer on the ground. Means उसने hammer ground पे मारा. Then what happened? Suddenly, Ishu Bossy grew his height. उसकी height बढ़ गई. Suddenly, because the hammer was magical. जादुई hammer था. So now in the photo you can see that the height of Ishu Bossy and Princess Sanjo is equal. The height of Princess Sanjo and Ishu Bossy is equal. So now Ishu Bossy was very much happy because otherwise Ishu Bossy was called only 1-inch warrior. Why he was called 1-inch warrior? Because even if he was only of 1 inch, he successfully, fought with the monster, with the giant standing there. And he also won the battle. Sometimes it happens, student, that the things with the small kids are able to do, even the adults or the, big heighted people are not able to do. So, छोटी height होने के advantage भी बहुत है. There are many advantages. And this is what Ishu Bossy proved. सबसे पहले what happened at first when he came to Lord Sanjo's house, तो पहले उसने मक्खी को भगाकर, हाउस फ्लाई को भगाकर, he proved himself as a brave warrior. And then what happened? He was taking care of Princess Sanjo. तो उसने क्या किया? He fought with the monster. Monster के साथ लड़ाई करके he proved himself. Then what happened? Suddenly they got the hammer. Princess Sanjo used the hammer properly. She hit it on the ground, and finally the height of Ishu Bossy was almost equal to Princess Sanjo. तो ये तो मैजिक हो गया. अचानक से हाइट कैसे बढ़ गई इसकी? So now let's read. Ishu Bossy and Princess Sanjo were soon married, and Ishu Bossy became a well-known samurai. So now, students, they both lived the happy life together. और थोड़े ही टाइम में Ishu Bossy जो है, he became samurai. Samurai means in the olden times, जो जापानीज वॉरियर होते हैं उनको समुराई बोला जाता था, द ओल्ड जापानीज वॉरियर. एंड students, if you have seen Ninja Hattori, it is a cartoon, Ninja Hattori. तो वैसे उसको भी समुराई बोलते हैं, that is also samurai. मुझे पता है many of you have seen that cartoon Ninja Hattori. So it is called samurai. उसके जो हाथ में तलवार होती है, his dressing, everything was like a samurai because he became the samurai. He became the successful man in the life. So now I will ask few questions so that I'll come to know how many of you are mentally present in the class. So now Qazi Aslam, I want you to unmute your mic and talk to me.
Yes.
What is your name, beta? What is your original name?
Qazi Hasnain. Only
Qazi?
Hasnain.
Hasnain. Okay, Hasnain. Did you saw the explanation? Did you saw the photos in the book?
Yes.
So how many eyes the giant was having? ये monster की कितनी
3
eyes?
eyes.
3 eyes. So third eye कहाँ पे थी? Where was the third eye?
In his head.
On his head. Very good. So Hasnain, tell me, have you seen the monster like this? कहीं पे ऐसा monster देखा है?
No.
Okay, very good. अगर आप देखो तो, if you will see the monster, then what will you do? You will run away or you will fight like a issue bossy?
Fight.
Okay, so if you start crying, then? Okay, I suppose something. Hello, can you hear me, beta? Hasnain?
Yes.
Yes, if you start crying, then what will happen? अगर आप हार जाओ तो ये शमा राजानी कौन है? She is muting this Qazi Aslam. Okay, Hasnain, listen, beta.
Yes.
So, what did you learn from the lesson? ये lesson में से आप क्या सीखे? To become
Sir.
brave like, yes.
थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया था.
Very good. तो आप present थे बेटा? Were you present in the previous lecture?
सर अब ये ना नेट नहीं चल रहा था ना पहले, इसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया.
Okay. So बेटा, you have to repeat after me. मेरे पीछे पीछे repeat करना, okay? Okay. From this lesson, we learned that we should be brave men like issue bossy. अभी समझ में आया बेटा?
Okay. Yes.
हाँ तो आप और एक बार बोलो. Repeat one more time. Come on.
We have to brave men like Ishuosi.
Okay. So Hasnain, last question to you. Last question है कि आपको पूरे स्टोरी में से which character did you like? कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपको पसंद आया?
Ishubosi.
पक्का? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good बेटा. Mute your mic. Okay, so my next question will be to Sahal Tapali.
Yes, sir.
बेटा, you don't have to on your camera. Camera off रखो. Turn off your camera. Okay. So what is your name? Your name is Sahal?
Sahal Sayyed.
Your name is Sahal, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Sahal, tell me, who was the brave man in the story?
Bye.
Sahal,
हाँ सर.
पूरी स्टोरी में ब्रेव मैन कौन था? Who was the brave man? Do you know
सर
the meaning
नहीं
of brave?
पता।
Do you know the meaning of brave? Sahal, do you know the meaning of brave? Brave का मतलब पता है?
हाँ सर, क्या बोल
हाँ,
रहे
what?
हैं वो? आवाज नहीं सुना।
बेटा brave का मतलब पता है?
यस।
Brave means हिम्मत वाला. So who was brave in the story? Sahal, come on fast. Answer us so I can ask to other students.
सर नहीं पता।
Ishu Bossy. Who was brave? Ishu Bossy. Okay, you have to speak 5 times, Sahal. 5 times you have to speak. Ishu Bossy was brave boy.
इसी वॉसी
Was brave boy.
वाइज द प्ले वॉल।
चलो 5 times बोलो. 5 times you have to speak. अच्छा
हाँ
मेरे
सर,
साथ
अभी
बोलोगे?
बोलो।
Okay, Ishu
हाँ।
Bossy
इसी वॉसी
was a
मोर डे
brave boy.
ब्रेव वॉइस।
Ishu Bossy
इसी वॉसी
was a
वन डे
one day नहीं was a
वॉज ए
brave boy.
ब्रेव बॉय।
Okay. Now mute your mic. So my next question goes to whom should I ask? Okay, Mohin Lakhani.
यस सर।
Okay, good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Okay, beta, tell me your name. Tell me your full name.
लाखानी जेड।
Okay, Zed. Tell me that what was the name of Lord Sanjo's daughter? Do you remember, beta?
व्हाट सर?
What was the name of Lord Sanjo's daughter? Princess Sanjo. What was the name?
सर नो, नहीं आता सर।
हाँ तो you have to repeat after me. मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो. Princess Sanjo.
ओके।
Speak.
प्रिंसेस अंजो।
Okay. अभी पूरा लाइन मेरे पीछे रिपीट करना. Repeat full line. Okay. The name of
द नेम ऑफ
Lord Sanjo's
लॉस संजो
daughter
ऑथर
was. बोलो बेटा. Was Princess
वॉज प्रिंसेस
Sanjo.
संजो।
Okay. Mute your mic.
थैंक यू सर।
Welcome. Mute your mic, beta. Zainab Rajani wants to speak. Wants to tell me the answer. Okay, Zainab Rajani. Zainab Rajani, you can turn on your mic, and I'll ask you the question, so that we can do the revision of this story. Zainab Rajani. Okay. Sohail Bhojani. Sohail Bhojani.
Yes. Yes,
What is your
sir.
name? What is your name?
My name is Pujani Zainali.
Zain Ali. Okay. So Zain Ali, tell me which is your favorite character in the story? आपका फेवरेट कौन है पूरी स्टोरी में?
Sanjo.
Sanjo is your favorite. Okay, beta. Tell me.
Small boy.
Okay. What was the height of small boy?
1 each.
Okay. तो आपकी हाइट क्या है? Your height is also 1 inch or more?
More.
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 Okay, very good. Okay, mute your mic.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, now who wants to answer me? Nakvi Zaid. Yes, Nakvi Zaid. Nakvi Zaid told to me that why don't you ask me, sir? Okay, Nakvi Zaid, turn on your mic, beta. Nakvi Zaid, can you hear me, dear? Nakvi Zaid, we are waiting for you all. Come on. Okay, I suppose there is an issue with this mic, maybe. Okay, this who is this Raj Hardware? Raj Hardware. Who is this with the name Raj Hardware?
Yes, sir.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Zia Fatima.
Sorry, clear. Please speak clearly.
My name is Zia Fatima.
Okay, Ria Fatima. Now tell me that
Zia Fatima.
yes, yes. Who fought with the giant? किसने राक्षस के साथ मॉन्स्टर के साथ लड़ाई की? Who fought with him?
Ishobosi.
Okay, so Ishubosi was brave. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me that how did the Ishubosi's height grew up? Okay, mute your mic. Abbas Ali Nani, mute your mic. Okay, Wazahat Lalani. Wazahat
Yes,
Lalani.
sir.
What is your name?
Yes. My name is Asma.
Asma.
हाँ.
Okay, Asma, tell me that how did the Ishubosi's height grew up? Ishubosi की height कैसे बढ़ी?
Hammer.
Hammer, magical hammer. Hammer was magical or not? Asma, can you hear me?
Yes.
So hammer was magical? Yes or no?
Yes.
So Asma, last question. Tell me what was the color of hammer in the photo?
Go yellow.
Yellow नहीं बोलते बेटा. Golden.
Golden. Yes.
Okay बेटा, thank you. Mute yourself. Okay. So next question. Zainab Rajani. Yes, she is here. Zainab Rajani.
Yes,
What is your
sir.
name? Your name is Zainab?
No, sir.
what
Rajani
is-
Mendi's son.
So please better change your name, okay? Here, so I can call out your name. Okay. So
Okay,
Mehndi
sir.
Hassan, Mehndi Hassan, you were there in the last lecture.
Yes.
Okay. So I will show you the photo. You have to tell me who is he or who is she. Photo देख के बोलना है नाम. Okay. Will you do it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me who is she.
Princess and Sanjo.
And who is he?
Ishubosi.
So can you tell me the spelling of princess? Okay, I'll show you the spelling. Then you have to speak it from here, okay? Okay, here is the spelling.
Okay. P-L-P-R-I-N-C-E
L nahi, R, it is R.
double S.
Okay,
Princess.
again.
P-R-I-N-C-E double S. Princess.
Very good. Okay, beta. Okay, now turn off your mic.
Okay.
Okay, so my next question goes to Ali Nawaz Bojani.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Narjis Fatima.
Narjis Fatima. Did you heard my explanation? Were you there while I was explaining the lesson?
Yeah.
So I will show you the picture. Will you tell me the name? Who is he or who is she?
Yes.
Okay, so here is the picture for you. Now tell me, who is he?
नहीं आता है.
He is Lord Sanjo. Who is he?
Lord Sanjo.
See, it is written here. Lord Sanjo. Who is he? Again repeat.
Lord Sanjo.
Okay, beta. Okay, mute your mic. Okay, so now students, before 10 minutes are left, so I will again explain you full lesson in short story, because some students have written please explain in short. Okay, वापस पूरी story I will explain you in very short. So students, just pay attention here. One day it happened like the husband and wife were praying to God because they did not had any kind of baby. So they were praying to God for the small baby boy or a baby girl. So what happened? God listened to them, God granted their wish, and one day both the husband and wife had a small baby. Now the baby was very small. Baby ki jo height thi, it was almost of size of a small thumb, which is there in your hand. So now, one day, when the baby grew up, still his height was same. He did not grow up by the height, but only by the age. So what happened? The small baby boy told that I want to go to city to work. मतलब उसको city में काम करने जाना था, बड़ी city में, because they were residing, they were dwelling, they were living in the small village. So what happened? Mother and father granted him. They both told him that yes, you can go. Then to go to the city, his mother made the boat from the soup bowl, and his father made the sword. Sword means talwar, from the needle. Needle means जो हम लोग कपड़े stitch करते हैं ना, that is called needle, using needle. Then when he reached to the city, to the town, then he saw the big house. Now the master of big house was Lord Sanjo. Lord Sanjo was very famous man. He was a great master in the city. Then Lord Sanjo told Ishu Bossi that, Ishu Bossi, how can you help me? You are very small in the height. Then Ishu Bossi ने prove किया अपने आप को. Ishu Bossi proved himself. What he did? He killed the house fly. उसने एक मच्छर को मारा छोटी सी अपनी स्वॉर्ड के साथ, जो कि लॉर्ड सांजो के कान के पास फ्लाई कर रहा था. Then what happened? Lord Sanjo was very much impressed. Lord Sanjo became happy. तो लॉर्ड सांजो ने अपनी जो डॉटर है प्रिंसेस सांजो, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इशू बॉसी को दे दी. लॉर्ड सांजो टोल्ड इशू बॉसी to look after or to take care of his daughter Princess Sanjo. Then one day, what happened? Ishu Bossi and Princess Sanjo were walking on the path and going to the temple. And before they reached to temple, what happened? The monster, the giant, came in their way. उसके रास्ते में एक बड़ा सा giant monster आया जंगल में से. He was having 3 eyes. He was very dangerous. But though Ishu Bossi was very small in a height, he fought with the monster. उसने monster के साथ लड़ाई की. And he started, beating the monster with the sword, poking the needle in the mouth. Finally, जो monster था, जो giant था, वो भाग गया. He ran away. But the monster left beside one hammer, which was very magical. Monster ने एक hammer रास्ते में गिरा दिया, अपना magical hammer. Then what happened? Princess Sanjo जो है, she hit the battle on the ground. उसने जमीन पर hammer को मारा. And as the hammer was magical, suddenly the height of Ishubosi grew up. So now Ishubosi and Princess Sanjo were of equal height. So then after, they both lived a happy life, and also Ishubosi became the great samurai fighter. So students, today we just revised what we done in the previous lecture. Then I explained you the remaining story. Also, we did the question answers round related to the story. So now in the next lecture, by the time I come, I want you all to be very much prepared, क्योंकि मैं question answers और वो सब भी आपको कराऊंगा. So you have to be prepared. So in next lecture, if you come, you have to read the story properly.
सर कौन सा लेक्चर है?
बेटा, will you turn off your mic? हाँ, ये last time बोल रहा हूँ बेटा. Okay. So now last two questions I'll ask, and then we will end up for the lecture. So here, okay, the question is to Hina Keshwani. Hina Keshwani, can you hear me, beta? Hina Keshwani, can you hear me? Okay. Tanzim wants to speak. Yes, Tanzim, sure. Please turn on your mic, Tanzim.
Yes, sir.
Only Tanzim will turn on the mic.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
बेटा खाली तंजीम को बोलना है. हिना केशवानी, टर्न ऑफ योर माइक बेटा.
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Okay, Tanzim,
Yes, sir.
tell me, who was the hero of the story?
Yes, sir.
Who was the hero of story? Okay, you have to repeat after me. The hero of story was Ishubosi. Okay, now mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes, Rehan Govani. Rehan Govani, he wants to answer. Yes, Rehan.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, beta. So, Rehan, will you answer my question? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rehan, tell me that how did the height of Ishubosi grew up? How was the height of Ishubosi increased? वो height में कैसे लंबा हुआ? Can you explain me, बेटा?
Helmet, sir.
Hammer से बेटा, helmet नहीं, hammer.
Hammer.
Yes, hammer and magical hammer. Okay, beta, turn off your mic. Okay, and the last question, and then we will end up for today. So the question is to Sohail Bhojani.
Ask me.
Sohail Bhojani.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, beta, good afternoon. Now, Sohail, what is your name, by the way?
Zainali Bojani.
I will take the name, I'll take the time to remember your name. Anyways, Zain Ali is your name, correct? So, Zain Ali, Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is my voice audible? Can you hear me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Don't, sir. 2 minutes last.
Yes. So Zain Ali, can you tell me that what did the issue bossy? How? What was the issue bossy at the last? वो क्या बन गया था? What he converted into?
Lock. Long. Lock.
Long. But then what was he? What did he become? क्या बन गया था? Samurai. What?
Samurai.
Samurai. So do you know the spelling of samurai?
No.
Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
S-A-M-U R-A-I.
SAMURAI.
Okay. So now, okay, mute your mic, beta.
Thank you.
So now, students, in the next class, if I come, I want you all to be prepared. And first, before starting the new lesson, I will ask you the questions from this lesson. So even if possible, by tomorrow, I will send the objectives of this lesson in your WhatsApp group. Parents, those who are listening, parents भी जो सुन रहे हैं, मैं इस lesson के objectives I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you to listen to me for today, and I hope that next time you will make less noise. Okay, have a good day. Bye.
Bye.